Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. These are almost flagship tablets, but not quite since they're using upper mid-range chipsets. The series includes the standard Pad 7 and the Pad 7 Pro, offering a premium tablet experience with impressive specifications and versatile productivity features. These are almost flagship tablets, but not quite, since they're using upper mid-range chipsets. The Pad 7 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, brings your photos and videos to life. Xiaomi HyperOS ensures you a more wonderful user experience, offers you smooth operation and a stable multitasking experience. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro 11.2 inches 345 ppi LCD display with a high 3.2K resolution of 3200 by 236 pixels. It supports a 144Hz refresh rate, providing smooth visuals for both content consumption and gaming. The display reaches a peak brightness of 800 nits. Additionally, the series offers an optional nano matte screen for users seeking reduced glare, achieved through AG nano texture and AR optical coating. This coating reduces glare by 99% and reflectivity by 65%, enhancing reading and writing comfort. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro variant, however, steps up with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, ensuring a more powerful performance suitable for professional tasks and gaming. The integration of Xiaomi's HyperOS software-hardware system boosts performance, cold start speed by 13%, and multitasking efficiency by 69%. Come with Xiaomi's new HyperOS 2, offering enhanced multitasking capabilities. The system introduces a new desktop mode, offering a desktop-like interface with a cross-device clipboard that syncs content across Xiaomi phones, tablets, and PCs. On the photography, Pad 7 Pro offers a 32-megapixel front shooter and a 50-megapixel rear camera for high-resolution captures. The camera setup ensures clear video calls and captures, while the AI-based enhancements improve image quality in various lighting conditions. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro is powered by an 8850 mAh battery, providing ample battery life for prolonged use, supports 67 watts fast charging. Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro features a sleek metal unibody design, measuring just 6.2 millimeters in thickness and weighing 500 grams. It comes with a floating keyboard accessory, featuring a 64-key adaptive backlit keyboard, 0-124-degree stepless adjustment, and a full-area mechanical touchpad. The tablet also includes quad speakers supporting 4-channel surround sound, 2V Rhineland-certified low blue light emission, and a high-volume mode for immersive audio experiences. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.